Alright, here we go. Part 2 of our July 2nd Rising Rookies box. Got one hit so far. Drill Jernigan autograph NFL patch 51 of 65. And here we go.
Which one? Okay. Somebody.
Ndamukong Suh.
Steve Johnson. Miles Austin. Jay Cutler.
Oh, there's another autograph. Cecil Shorts III. Autograph number 228 of 260.
Colin McCarthy. Cameron Jordan. DeMarco Murray. Phil Taylor. And Ryan Kerrigan.
LaDainian Tomlinson. Darren McFadden. Charlie Woodson. Combine Competition. John Baldwin.
Ricky
Stanzi.
Evan Royster. Stephen P.A. Somebody.
Jabal Sheard. Virgil Green.
Jermichael
Finley.
Larry
Fitzgerald.
Drew Brees.
Wesley Welker. Marcus Colston. There's a jersey card. Super Bowl MVP Aaron Rodgers. A green piece, thank goodness. No white. Always good.
Julio Jones.
Julio.
Whatever.
Okay. Tyrod Taylor.
Ryan Mallett. Niles
Paul and Luke Stockard Gold.
Peyton Hillis. Darrell
Revis. Brian Urlacher. D'Angelo Williams. Brandon Jacobs.
Justin Houston. I know if I named Justin Houston.
Keep going. Drill Jernigan.
Daniel Thomas. Ryan Whalen. And Casey
Matthews.
He has long hair.
Yeah.
Calvin Johnson. Brandon Floyd. Aaron Foster. Brandon Marshall. Robert Quinn. Rams. Robert House. Patrick Peterson. Anthony Allen.
And Ronald Johnson.
And
Blue.
Yeah. 49ers.
Tana.
Loss. Sam Bradford. Tony Gonzalez.
Deion Branch. Jason Avant. Darrell Scott.
Torrey Smith. Brandon Burton. Von Miller. And Dalen Carter.
Here you go.
Des Bryant. Matt Schaub. Roddy White. Michael Turner. Who is it?
Okay, that's fine. Just lay it over here.
Okay.
Cam Newton and Blaine Gabbert.
Mark Ingram. Bilal Powell, I guess. Kendall Hunter. DJ Williams. And Christian Ponder. Take those.
Okay, I got it. Keep going.
Somebody.
Rashard Mendenhall.
Mike Wallace.
Ben Roethlisberger.
Ray Lewis.
Cam Newton. Colin Kaepernick. Brooks Reed. Adrian Claiborne.
Jeremy
Curley. And Edmund Gates.
Ed Reed. Mike Williams. Adrian Peterson.
Hit the camera here. Grab one.
Ray Rice.
CJ Spiller. White
Cam
swatch
Newton.
jersey. Pretty nice, non-numbered.
Cam Newton. Somebody
Raheem.
more. Quentin Carter. Ronald Johnson.
Marcel Darius.
Patrick Willis. Matt Ryan.
Santana Moss. Another Sam Bradford. Tannenbaum.
Curtis Brown, AJ Green,
Yeah. Cecil Shorts the third. Daquan Bowers. TJ Yates. You got one more pack after this? I'll do it. Okay. Steve Smith, SJ, Cole McCoy, Jared Allen, Randall Cobb, Jarrell Jernigan, Combine, White Card, Vincent Brown, J.J. Watt, and Luke Stocker.
Good.
One more. Last one.
Give me the
Eli Manning.
Watt card.
Deshaun Jackson, Ahmad Bradshaw, Jason Witten, Kendall Hunter, White Card, thank you. Lance Kendricks, TJ Yates, Marcel Darius, Denarius Moore, and another Lance Kendricks. Not a bad box. Got all 4 hits as promised. TJ Spiller jersey.
Daddy.
Aaron Rodgers jersey, green piece. Cecil Shorts the third, autograph, numbered 228 of 260. And I guess this is the big hit out of the box. A Jarrell Jernigan NFL patch autograph, number 51 of 65. So that's all for today. Y'all have a good July 4th weekend. Shotty out.